Welcome to another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to find clients from Facebook. So a lot of people have reached out to me and told me to do this tutorial, and I'm specifically doing this tutorial because of my staff in the office, so they still understand how you can use Facebook to find clients. So basically, it's not about you guys this time around, it's about my own personal people. So yes, anyway, in this video I'm going to teach you how to find web design clients on Facebook. And I was doing this strategy before I started my own agency, and now I'm too busy. I don't do much of client finding, don't mind me. I don't do much of client finding, but here is how I did it before, and this is how you can replicate it for yourself, either as a freelancer or as an agency. So now what you want to do is because you're using a page, if you're an agency, you'll be using your business page, but if you're a freelancer, you'll be using your personal page. Now what you do is you go to Facebook. Now you open your Facebook. For this, I'm going to use page. Now this is applicable for page, profile, account, or whatever. So now what you want to do is to look for Facebook groups. So this is going to be a short one. Now if I click on this part, where do I access my groups? So it's not here. So let me see. I think it. Wow. So to access my group, I think I will have to I normally do it on my mobile device, so I haven't checked where you can just access your group. Okay, so this is the groups. As you can see, this is groups. Now what you want to do, because I already have some groups which I have joined, which are web development and designs. They include web development jobs, as you can see on the left side of my screen. As you can see, web design, web development, web design jobs, and all that. So these are groups that are for web designers, web developers. Now what people do is when they are looking for jobs, so they are looking for who to give jobs, they come on these groups and post about it. Now as you can see, this one saying typing jobs available, payment 535. I need a web developer. On this one is web design development, saying I need a web developer. Now a lot of people would actually want to go compete with these 43 people. As you can see, you see the names. These guys are Indians or Pakistans that literally you cannot compete with them, because these people can even charge as low as $10 to do a website, and that is a better way to save money if you're a client. So you can't literally compete with them. As you can see, I am web designer for my open restaurant, 5 already commented. So the comment has been turned off because the person has actually seen the one he or she need. But the thing is, you can't drag with the set of people commenting that they are available for this. So if you click on the comments, you see they are actually 43 people. They are actually commented. Okay, let me click on it again. So you can see, yes, I'm available, let's discuss, hello sir, I'm available. As you can see, they are much. Now let me tell you what I do as an agency. Instead of me to come to this group, now as you can see, this is the group. Instead of me to come to this group and talk about comment that I need a job or whatever, I tell people I need jobs, post I need job. Now what I do is I come to this group and then I make a post. Now the post I'm going to make is not going to be job finding or something. No, I'm going to post something that will actually intrigue people to want to check me out. That's what I do. So something like, let's say, do you know fact? So now, instead of me to post something that will actually be in the process of find client finding or dragging client and whatever, what I do is I post about do you know what. I tell them about what they should be aware of and things that are very helpful to web people that need website. So with this, it's very easy for clients to check me out. So let's do this. Let's get to post this. Now one thing is this: if you try to post things about if you try to post things that are relating to, let's say, selling yourself, your agency and all that, if you try to post you try to tell them I'm a web developer, the admin of the group might not accept you. But basically I normally use public group. But I don't like spamming the group that I'm a web developer, this, that. No, I don't do that. So what I do is I come to this group, I post on this group, I post helpful tips that will help people when they are coming through to this group. They are coming to look for someone to do a project for them. If they see comment like this, it will actually assist them in deciding who is the right person to work on their project. So let's go here now and tap. So this one is looking for someone to do. These are a job for $30. So let's look for something different. So let's talk about restaurant. Okay, we go to where do we make a post now? Where do we make a post? I literally do not use my computer to do this. I just really prefer using my phone. So I hope you guys understand what I'm doing, because okay, new members, these are members, looking for members. So I don't know guys, I don't know how this thing works more on computer, so I just use my phone to do what I want to do. So, but basically on groups like this, you just go there, you just post, you just make posts that are actually going to help people find you, instead of selling yourself to the group and enabling the admin ban you from the group. So you look for one of these groups, you tell them something that is actually valid, something that would make people want to check you out, and these people tend to check you out and then gives you job. They tell you this is what I want, and like, okay, let's do for this. I don't understand guys, is it like just admin that are post on this group now or what? Because I do post on them. Like, this is a continuous process for me. I don't know why some of these groups are not opening right now. Okay, let's see this. So this one, maybe they've turned it to admin only or something. So now on this group, we want to post something that will actually, as you can see, this one is looking for a web developer. Why traffic contest bring Benin our first website? We got a talented developer to make it. We need a talented developer to make it available, as you can see. Now for this job, as you can see, this job, the you do not have a lot of people commenting on this. As you can see, you don't have a lot of people commenting on this job, and so you could literally be the one to comment on this, because they are not much people. But the ones that have a lot of people on it, we don't comment on it. I wasn't even bothered. So visit us to see our style. DM us with your portfolio today. Thanks for contact. So you can just message here and tell him, hey, I would like to work with you. Can I send a DM or something? But for me, what I do is I just come here. So I could do something like, hey, first time website owner, hope you're doing great. Always remember that optimizing your website daily help you with web visibility, and post something like this. Now this, I'm not trying to sell myself, I'm not trying to get job, I'm just trying to let people be aware that they can do something like this. And these people tend to check me out and then message me that they are interested in working with me. Unlike what most people do, they just go to a group and type in and do all those sorts, like spamming the group with what they do and all that. No, give them value and then they will contact you and message you and tell you that this is what they are looking for. Now if you come across something like this that doesn't require that doesn't have too many competition, you can literally comment or message the person directly and tell the person you would like to work with them. But if not, you just go ahead and give value to this group, and then you start seeing people reaching out to you that they want to work on the website. Because a lot of the times these people, they are out there searching, but they want someone that is actually good and can be able to do the job, and then not someone who is claiming to do the job. So mind you should have already have a portfolio ready ready on your agency website or on your freelancing website, whatever. You should have your portfolio ready, because once they come to your DM, they will ask for your portfolio. So you want to show them something that they prove that you know what you are doing, and with that you are guaranteed to get the job on on Facebook. Now don't forget also, if you're a freelancer, it's okay you post more content about web design on your timeline, because they want to check you out and see what your timeline is all about. Now this is my agency page, so once they come, they already know, okay, this is a digital agency, so they won't bother to start asking me a lot of questions. But if this is not an agency page, this is a freelancing page, this is my personal page, they want to check what I talk about, what I do and other stuff. So you want to keep your profile clean and in the web development niche or web design niche, so that you can attract a lot of clients. So I hope this tutorial has been able to help you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now, guys.